Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can invite friends to join a music playlist and start collaboration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up Apple Music, then tap on Library. Now in here, tap on Playlist and open up a playlist that you want to start collaboration. So here I've got Funky IT Jingles. Then in here to start the collaboration, tap on the add button at the top here. So tap on that. And then in the invite friends to join, you can choose whether to turn on or turn off approve collaborators. So when turned off, anyone with the link will be able to join. And when we turn on approve collaborators, then you must approve anyone who wants to join the playlist. Now there is an edit button. You can tap on edit, and in here you can edit the name. You can choose a photo. So here we can choose a photo, and you can also take photo or remove photo from the list right here. After that, tap on the start collaboration button. Now on the next screen, you can choose how you want to share this link. So you can copy it to the clipboard. You can choose share play, add to quick note, or you can send a contact the message. So here we can send a contact, or you can send it via mail or messenger or another messenger that you have installed on your device, such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, and so on and so forth. Now here I'm going to select a contact that has been suggested from Apple. From here, I can then type in the command, or I can simply just tap on the send button. And that's it. So that is how you can invite friends to join your music playlist and start the collaboration. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.